My name is Georg Sprinzl. I'm the Chief Physician for Ortorhinolaryngology at the University Hospital in St. Pölten. I also work as a practitioner in a surgery in Stollhofen. In the course of the entire renovation project here, we decided to use Miele products. What I particularly like about this device is, first of all, my colleagues' satisfaction with it. I see it in my everyday interactions with my patients. When I'm handed the instruments, they're simply perfectly clean, and that's something you want to pass on to your patients. The fact that you work with clean instruments and that you're using only the best tools with your patients.
My name is Beatrix Hasensagel. I've been working in Professor Sprinzl's surgery for 3 years now. I assist him in the surgery and take care of the instruments to ensure that they are clean for their next use. The cleaning and disinfection device is very quiet. Even when running, it doesn't disturb our normal activities. And within a very short time, the instruments are ready to be used again.
The compatibility with Segosoft is extremely fast, simple, and above all, gives us seamless documentation.
I can put it into the computer and immediately have the documentation right here. Things have become much easier.
I believe procedural quality is something that has to represent quality in every practice. This means I have to organize procedures so that I receive clean instruments, that I get the instruments quickly, that I don't have to wait too long for them. This is true in both cases. From my perspective, I can only recommend Miele products to any surgery. The quality of our procedures is very, very high, and we can therefore pass on this high procedural quality to our patients. I think the absolute most important thing is to guarantee the well-being of our patients, and to do so, one needs strong partners. For years now, I have found Miele to be an excellent consultant with good customer support. These are things, of course, that as a doctor you can put your trust in and rely on. If you collaborate with industry, you need long-term partners.